Hello everybody, thanks for watching again. We are Sabine and Marco. Can we stay and sleep here? There were like local police. And for this Van Life Europe vlog, we are in Poland, in the Karkonoski or Giant Mountains. So, let's go! And here we are, walking again.
Yeah.
And a walking day with us is not a walking day with us if there's not a challenge in the mix. So, Sabine, what do you think is the challenge of today?
The challenge is today is to find the right route.
Yeah.
We think we know how to walk, but we aren't sure.
Yeah.
So,
And there's even a bigger challenge.
the weather.
Yeah.
Yeah. They in the forecast they say there will be rain in the afternoon.
Yeah.
And so we are. That's why we are early.
Yeah.
And we hope to be back before it started to rain.
Yeah.
There are already some dark clouds.
It's sort of threatening already. So let's hope and pray for some luck. So we decided not to walk from Karpacz. We are very close to Karpacz, but we've been there on the bike. It was already very crowded with people, and even on a Sunday it was amazing. I would not want to be there.
Yeah.
But on the Monday, I think the next day, it was still very crowded.
Yeah.
So yeah. So Sabine has found a really nice spot, I think, to start the route. I think we have seen like 5 people at the beginning of the route. They went different directions. We want to have it like this when you are walking in nature.
Yeah.
So happy about it. So funny thing just happened. I think we are about half an hour into the walk, something like that, maybe longer, not sure. And the guy comes walking down the hill. He has like a belly pouch and a machine in his hand, and he's selling tickets. He's actually, I think he's legit. He was selling tickets for the park.
Yeah, for the national park.
For the national park.
Yeah.
Which was okay. It was, but the funny thing is that he said, yeah, we have normal price tickets, and those are 8 zloty, and we have half price tickets, and those are 4 zloty. It's okay. It's indeed half price. And I said, what's the difference?
Yeah, the difference is that the normal price tickets are 8 zloty, and the half price tickets are 4 zloty.
Yes, but what's the difference? No, that's the difference.
That's the difference.
Okay, so
Okay.
you can imagine we took the half price, the 4 zloty tickets. I think we're almost there. The higher we get, the smaller the path gets. But it's still steep as hell. What I feel they did is like, here we are. We are here. There's a mountain there. Let's just put a path straight up. Man, but look at the views. been walking for 2 hours and we have reached the mountain highway. It's a little bit crowded here. With the wind and with the sweat, it's starting to get cold. So time to get down the mountain. One last view and then we go. No use in getting sick or something else. It's breathtaking. Ah, that's worth it.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
We made it.
Yes.
So, and now time to go down.
Yeah.
Because I'm cold.
Yeah, me as well.
I'm not sure you can see it, guys, but there is rain. We took a different route down. As you can see, we're not sweating as much, but it is still yeah, strange because it's very steep still. It's all rocky and things like that, so every step you need to watch out actually. It's very adventurous going down like this.
It is.
And quick update about the rain.
It's still dry.
We were just evaluating, so I thought, well, why not capture it on camera?
Yeah.
First things first, we did not get lost. So kudos to the Polish guys for making the routes and the tracks and the trails, because they are perfect. Really, really good.
Yeah.
So well done. And also kudos to us for following the signs.
Yeah, and doing it, because it was a tough trail.
Yeah. It's not. It's hard on the body. It's hard on the feet, especially because it's continuously over those. So that was that. Has it been the most amazing walk? No. Has it been the most amazing sights? No. But still, should you do it when you're here?
Yes, definitely.
So, finally, we get to the van again.
Yeah.
But now's the question: can we stay and sleep here?
Yeah, that's the question.
I think it's a nice thing to try.
Yeah, I think so as well.
I think we can at least do one night here.
Yeah.
We found a good spot, or we found a spot, guys, to stay for one night at least, because it's not allowed here in Poland. But we are there, It's a nice spot. You can see us from the road. The road's just here. So hopefully it's okay. And if we get sent away, then we get sent away. Sabine made something special. Look at that. Ready.
Ready.
Very good.
Yeah.
Can you tell the people at home what you made, what you did?
Well, this we had this.
Yeah.
The kartoffel gratin, so this potato
gratin.
Yeah. Put this in on the top, on the bottom.
Yeah.
Then some
green beans
above it, and some sausages and slices, and then another layer of these kartoffel gratin on top.
So it's actually potatoes with a sauce already in it. Yeah.
Yeah, with
sort of a cheese sauce.
Cheese.
Cream.
Cheese cream sauce.
Yeah.
So and then in the Omnia for about 35 minutes.
Yeah. And then it is delicious. A quick update on the "Are we gonna be sent away" topic. There was like local police. Yeah, we've looked it up on Google. It's like local police, and they drove by just quickly.
Twice.
And then they drove by again because it's like and then they did not say anything. They did not even really look. I waved. They did not wave back. So I'm curious what's gonna happen. Oh, Sabine is also really curious what's gonna happen. She's hidden behind our our kitchen paper.
I'm just reading like this.
Oh, by the way, that gives us the opportunity to show you our amazing kitchen paper holder, because
it is magnetic.
It is magnetic.
Cool, huh?
So and that means that you can hang it everywhere you want. And this is like the perfect location now for me. So like this.
And now it's almost finished, but when it's thicker,
yeah, that's even better.
That's better.
That's even better. So no, it's me time when we put the kitchen paper behind Sabine, or in front of Sabine. Oh, and one other thing is we did not dare yet to open the roof for the bed to sleep on. So it's like a tiny van right now, but just to keep it more on the stealth profile for now. So there was just a Polish camper driver who parked behind us, and then so I stepped outside because I was making sure that we at least could get out if someone parks behind us. But in the end, it was a good guy, good conversation. He moved on. Maybe he comes back. He doesn't know. But he told me one thing, and that was a good point. He said, yeah, in Poland it is allowed to park and to sleep in a parking lot. So if there's a place where you can park your car, you can sleep there as well. So that's good information. So we are worried maybe for nothing? Don't know. But you will have guessed it. And in the end, it was all okay. But because we had rain all night, and in the next morning, we did not film anything that we can show you. And to be fair, nothing exciting happened. So, anyway, thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and you now maybe want to go to Poland as well. And if you liked it, please consider leaving a thumbs up or even subscribe. And hang around for next video, because that one is very special to us. We will be going to Auschwitz.